I went to IIM Lucknow and I graduated from there in 1997. I spent more than 2 decades, maybe around 23 or 22, 23 years in the corporate environment in various settings.
And you have done nothing apart from writing the book.
मैं सड़क पे नहीं आऊँगा, मतलब जॉब गई तो ठीक है, एटलीस्ट अपना खाना पीना तो चलते रहे. When I got out of engineering, I wanted to get into management, but when I got into management, I said I don't want to totally leave my technical area. I don't want to sell soap and stuff like that, you know.
If it is Indian customers, then how did 9/11 affect you so badly?
नहीं रंजित, देखो थोड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी. इट्स नॉट फॉर अ चैनल, इट्स फॉर सेलिंग योर बुक्स.
कि चुप हो जा कि क्या हमें पिटवाएगा ट्यूब में.
Or The Bend in the Road, which is a travel-based book, a collection of stories around the road trip. That sells more than 50% of all my books, basically.
मुझे गोली मार दो, but I'm not gonna open that book.
Ranjit is an author and publisher.
I just asked myself what is it that I like. The natural answer for that was to write.
You were running a SaaS company as your first entrepreneurial venture 25 years ago, before anyone knew what SaaS is.
In Silicon Valley, where one of my engineering batchmates had gone for his masters, he was the one who caught that bug first, and he came back to India and said that we should start something together. And that's how we got into it. Actually, we had only 4 IIMs at that time, ABC and L, so maybe the competition was lesser as well. I was mostly preparing on my own. I mean, sitting in my hostel room, doing all those tests and things like that. Yeah.
I remember calling my mother before the first semester's exam and saying, "Mommy, I don't think I'll pass the exam. I think I might have to come back."
तुम्हारे पास का नहीं है, तुम्हारे पास ना अब 2 हफ्ते बचे हैं, तुम पढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे.
Once a person has become an entrepreneur, the urge to do something of your own, it may be a business, it may be a creative pursuit, or it may be just anything else, it doesn't go away that easily. The IITs were much more popular actually. JEE was a big deal, but CAT wasn't. But somewhere in around the third year, I realized that I think that is another option. So that's where I started exploring and preparing myself for it.
कि बेटा बेटी इंजीनियर बनेंगे या डॉक्टर बनेंगे.
Right.
कोई ये नहीं बोलता था कि हम मैनेजमेंट करेंगे.
Correct. You know, basically we spent 18 hours in the train every, let's say 3-4 months.
What did you do in those 24 hours? मुझे याद है बचपन में हम तो अंताक्षरी खेलते थे. क्योंकि बैठे बैठे क्या करें, कुछ कर.
Once you cross Maharashtra and get into Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, it was all rice.
कितना चावल खाओगे यार, मतलब लाइफ में और भी कुछ खाने को दो, रोटी तो दो. If there is ever a book that has improved my grammar in English, it is Wren and Martin.
That was the book I hated the most.
हर टाइप के लोग होते हैं आईएम में, हर टाइप के लोग सक्सेसफुली पहुंचते हैं आईएम, और हर टाइप के लोग आईएम के बाद भी सक्सेसफुल होते हैं. इंटरव्यू से ज्यादा एक पहले जीडी होता था. It used to scare the hell out of me.
I'll basically wait for my chance and that chance will never come. That was my feeling when I got into the GD. So you don't really make a lot of money as an author from just the book sales. Writing is not like a factory, right? Or it's not like a consulting project. कि client आ गया तो चलो अभी PPT बनाना है और चलो भागते हैं उस. And now when I look at it in hindsight, it's a good thing that I got married relatively early. That support was available.
So what is it living in Bangalore like? Is it like, do you enjoy living in Bangalore, or the pollution and the traffic just gets too much?
Most of the motivation for my writing comes from urban settings.
Mumbai boy thinks Bangalore is good.
Yeah, basically it is not a made up story, it's a real story.
How many copies have been sold? I'm trying to multiply that by 20 and trying to figure out how much money can I ask Ranjit after the interview.
You will realize that I am a fairly poor author.
Forget about good value proposition. घर चलाने जितने तो पैसे नहीं होंगे. अगर आपने 10,000 कॉपी बेची है लास्ट 5 साल में, 20 रुपए पर कॉपी मिलता है, so that is what 2 lakh रुपए, and you are earning that every 2 weeks.
If your primary objective is to do a bestseller and replace your MBA salary with writing, you are going down a hole that will not get filled that easily. Let me warn you that.